You're an environmental researcher. We know you love the field. But how much time are you spending on unnecessary field visits? At Meter, we think you should spend less time on setup and maintenance and more time on doing what matters. Introducing the ZL6 Data Logger series. Designed to simplify and speed up the process of data collection, management, analysis, and sharing, all ZL6 loggers connect to a complete system of sensors and software that are easily deployed, require little maintenance, and put near real-time data at your fingertips. 3 easy-to-use data loggers deliver long-lasting performance in a package that fits your individual needs. Our standard ZL6 logger paired with ZENTRA Cloud gives you easy, full-time access to near real-time data from anywhere in the world. The ZL6 Basic provides a low-cost plug-and-play solution that's as effortless to set up as it is to use. The ZL6 Pro is an all-inclusive package that automates almost everything about data collection and management. Every ZL6 logger is carefully crafted to last year after year. The enclosure is specifically designed for shedding rain to make sure water doesn't get in. Ultra-secure cable handling ensures sensor cables don't get yanked out. The ZL6 and ZL6 Pro include a solar charging panel, which means there's no power maintenance required for several years. GPS, a barometer, and integrated metadata all simplify and speed up your processes. All ZL6 loggers are simple to set up. Sensors are plug-and-play, so you don't have to be an expert at wiring or programming. Connect up to 6 types of multi-parameter sensors, so you can monitor a host of different variables. The ZENTRA Utility app uses Bluetooth to set up and configure your logger, so you can bring a smartphone to the field instead of a heavy laptop. The ZL6 and ZL6 Pro work together with ZENTRA Cloud to provide automated, remote data visualization in near real time, so you can correlate events, see important trends, or discover problems from the comfort of your own desk. Use the Field app for easy access to charts, latest readings, device status, and notifications. The ZL6 Basic uses Bluetooth and a smartphone app to upload data to ZENTRA Cloud for storage and sharing. Add on a ZENTRA Cloud subscription to gain access to powerful graphing and visualization tools. Want more time to produce peer-reviewed papers? With ZL6 loggers, you and your team can focus on data, not distractions, so you have more time for the important things. Contact us now for a customer quote.